Jordan,
Did you see this on?
Pep Watson, Crime and Justice TV. Do you have a comment for the 2,500 IPP prisoners, 90% of which remain detained over their tariff, 70% of which are self-harming, and they have a death toll higher than that of Grenfell Tower and Hillsborough? Do you have a comment from Sky News to Crime and Justice TV? Empty promises. You agreed to meet and talk on a number of occasions and then failed to honour the agreement. Do you have a comment for the family of Tommy Nicol, who died after 2 parole knockbacks because there was no courses available? Do you have a comment for the family of Charlie Noakes? No comment, Jordan. No comment for Crime and Justice TV.
Can you please move away from me, sir?
Sorry, mate?
Can you move away from us, sir?
Well, people are dying.
Can you move away from us, sir?
People are dying.
Can you move away, please?
IPP prisoners are dying.
Can you move
all
away
over the
from my
country.
space?
Well, it's not your space.
You're infringing my space.
No idea why I'm here.
I don't care why you're here.
No comment for Crime and Justice TV, Jordan, no? So Sky News have abandoned IPP prisoners. All IPP prisoners, political prisoners of the state, yeah? No comment. Sky News has abandoned the plight of IPPs suffering catastrophic breakdown in mental functioning. Sky News has also abandoned the families of IPPs seeking justice for dead IPP blood. Sky News has abandoned the long-suffering family of now deceased IPP prisoner Tommy Nicol. Tommy Nicol endured back-to-back 2-year parole board knockbacks under former chairman Nick Hardwick due to the state being unable to provide the necessary offender and behaviour courses that Tommy needed to complete to progress towards release. Tommy Nicol endured 80 days in isolation in a segregation unit where he endured catastrophic destruction in his mental health. Tommy cut his face up and was observed rocking in his cell before he committed suicide. At the inquest into the death of Tommy Nicol, government instructed and Ministry of Justice instructed specialist Queen's Counsel barristers embarked on a vicious 2-week campaign over the duration of the inquest to demonise Tommy Nicol in order to cover up this state-sponsored death. Sky News have also abandoned the long-suffering family of now deceased IPP prisoner Charlie Noakes. Charlie Noakes was sentenced to an IPP prison sentence with a tariff totalling only months, yet similar to Tommy, endured multiple back-to-back 2-year parole board knockbacks due to offending behaviour courses not being able to be provided by the state. Charlie endured these parole board knockbacks in dim-lit corners of draconian Victorian prison cells with poor legal representation due to the legal aid cuts, as well as a custody-hungry offender manager from an organisation, the National Probation Service, which MPS whistleblowers have described as broken, divided and ineffective. At both of the parole board hearings of Charlie Noakes and Tommy Nicol, the parole board dossiers were incomplete due to the devastating influx and irreversible damage caused by 6,000 IPPs into an already broken prison estate in a 7-year period between April 2005 and November 2012, after the European Court of Human Rights at Strasbourg condemned the sentence. So, Why has Sky News abandoned a modern-day massacre of the magnitude of IPP? Upon closer inspection of Sky News' Jordan Milnes Twitter feed, we can see on the day in question of the CJTV Sky News hijack, Jordan Milne was way too busy to talk to us about the massacre and the rising death toll of IPP because she was too busy reporting and tweeting divisive tweets inciting hatred of Tommy Robinson. In the image here, we can see responses to Jordan Milne's divisive tweets which create division